We ensure that food from nature is the best for everyone. How do we get food from nature that is fresh, clean, tasty, and full of nutrition for everyone? Our vision and passion at NPP Foods Limited have brought the best taste from nature to all of you. We are leaders when it comes to producing good quality products to serve, using high standards for safe, clean, and healthy products for all our customers. Our seafood products have been selected with the proper processes. We research and develop constantly for the best product. Our packagings are very remarkable and modern. We strive to produce Thai products for a global market. Baked Squid Snack Original Flavor, Baked Squid Snack Tom Yum Flavor, Baked Squid Snack Barbecue Flavor, Baked Shrimp Snack Original Flavor, Baked Shrimp Snack Tom Yum Flavor. MUAY products have received high industrial standards from the Ministry of Public Health Thailand and halal certificates. These standards will ensure that customers receive the best products from us.
จะมีผู้แซ่หนูทำงานกับหมา